Good evening, Larnaca delivery. A GN913 Information Whiskey request IFR to Athens.
1 second while I grab the paperwork.
A GN913 Information Whiskey is current. Cleared to Athens via the Pathos 1 Whiskey departure, then is filed. Departure runway 22. Initial climb to 10,000 feet. Departure on 130.2. Squawk 6633.
Larnaca clearance. A GN913 cleared to Athens via Pathos 1 Whiskey departure, then as filed. Departure runway 22. Climb to flight level 100. Departure frequency 130.2. Squawk 6633.
GN913, read that correct. Ground will be on 119.4.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Aegean's Flight 913, departing from Larnaca to Athens. Please take your seats according to your boarding passes and stow your hand luggage in the overhead bins or under the seats in front of you. If you need any assistance, feel free to reach out to any of our crew members. Thank you for choosing Aegeans, and we wish you a pleasant flight.
Eurowings 3 November Tango, cleared for push and start.
Pushback and start approved. Eurowings 3 November Tango.
Cockpit preparation checklist.
Gear pins and covers.
Removed.
Fuel quantity.
Set and checked.
Seat belts.
On.
Adheres. Borrow ref. 1005. Set cockpit preparation checklist completed.
Before start checklist.
Parking brake.
Set.
Takeoff speeds and thrust.
Eurowings 3
Set.
November Tango ready to taxi.
Eurowings 3 November Tango, taxi to runway 22 via Lima Alpha, Lima Charlie, Alpha.
2 VR
22
1
via Lima
4
Alpha, Lima Charlie,
2
Alpha, Eurowings 3
V2
November
1
Tango.
4 3. Flex temp 70 degrees. Beacon. Before start checklist completed.
Departure checks completed. Bypass pin inserted.
Larnaca ground. Aegean 913 at gate 26. Good evening. We are requesting push and start.
Locking gear.
Aegean 913, push and start approved, face southeast.
Approved facing southeast. Aegean 913.
Eurowings 43 Papa, contact tower on 130.625.
Switching to tower. Eurowings 43 Papa.
Release parking brakes, please. Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at will.
Cabin crew, all doors in flight and cross-check. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Aegean's Flight 913, departing from Larnaca to Athens. My name is Erica, and on behalf of Aegeans, I would like to introduce our captain, Lewis, and our first officer, Stephanie. Joining us in the cabin are my fellow crew members, Alex, Maria, and Demetrius. We expect to be in the air for approximately 1 hour and 25 minutes. Now, I would like to take a moment to go over some important safety information. First, please ensure your seatbelts are fastened. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle until you hear a click. To release it, lift the buckle. In the unlikely event of a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop down from the...
Sierra Heavy, contact tower on 121.2. Take care.
Start the flow of oxygen, place it over your nose and mouth, and secure it with the elastic band. Remember to put on your own mask before assisting others. For those of you seated near the exits, please take note of the emergency exits located at the front and rear of the cabin, as well as over the wings. In the event of an evacuation, leave your luggage behind and proceed to the nearest exit. We also have life vests located under your seats. To use them, pull the vest out, place it over your head, and pull the straps to secure it. Inflate the vest by pulling the red tabs once you're outside the aircraft. Thank you for your attention. We will be coming around shortly with our service. Now, I will inform the captain that the cabin is ready for departure.
Tow truck disconnected. Bypass pin removed.
Okay, ground. Thank you for the guidance. We're going to be watching for the pin before we start taxiing. Erica, thank you. Have a good flight.
Thank you, Captain. We will ensure a smooth flight for our passengers.
Okay, ground, we see the pin. Thank you for the guidance and see you next time. Larnaca ground, GN 913 requesting taxi to the active.
Aegean 913, taxi to runway 22 via Lima Bravo, Victor, Charlie, Alpha.
Runway 22, Lima Bravo, Victor, Charlie Alpha, Aegean 913.
Taxi checklist.
Flight controls. Checked. Flap setting. Config 1+F. Radar and predictive wind shear system. Engine mode selector. ECAM memo. Taxi checklist completed. Flight controls. Roger.
Eurowings 3 November Tango contact tower on 121.2.
Eurowings 3 November Tango.
Aegean 9013, contact tower on 121.2.
Switching to tower on 121.2. Aegean 9013. Larnaca Tower, Aegean 9013, evening, holding short of 22, ready for departure.
Aegean 9013, Larnaca Tower, runway 22, hold short, you're number 1 behind the 737.
Tamazi 774, holding short, runway 22, ready for departure.
Tamazi 774, winds 180 at 12, runway 22, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 22, Tamazi 774.
Lineup checklist.
Takeoff runway. Runway 22 confirmed. TCAS.
Set and checked.
Packs 1 and 2.
Set and checked.
Lineup checklist completed.
Aegean 913, Larnaca Tower, runway 22, winds 210 at 19er, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 22, cleared for takeoff. Aegean 913.
Tamazi 774, contact departure.
Over to departure, Tamazi 774.
Approaching. 2-2. On runway. 2-2.
Thrust set. V1, rotate. Positive climb.
Aegean 913, contact departure on 130.2.
Switching to departure on 130.2, Aegean 913. Larnaca departure, Aegean 913, evening, passing 1000 on the climb.
Aegean 913, Larnaca departure, radar contact, climb flight level 100.
Climbing flight level 100, Aegean 913.
Aegean 913, climb flight level 200.
Climbing flight level 200, Aegean 913.
Top Swiss 72 Papa Quebec. Proceed direct Odessa. Cleared for the RNAV runway 22 approach. Descend and maintain altitude 5,000 until established.
Down to 5,000. Cleared for the RNAV runway 22 approach. Top Swiss 72 Papa Quebec.
Top Swiss 72 Papa Quebec, contact Larnaca Tower on 121.2.
Over to Larnaca Tower on 121.2. Top Swiss 72 Papa Quebec.
Niner 13, climb flight level 270.
Climbing flight level 270, Aegean Niner 13.
Dear guests, we have just reached our cruising altitude. You may now use your electronic devices. Please ensure that they are set to airplane mode. Also, I'm pleased to inform you that our onboard Wi-Fi service is now available. Enjoy your flight, and we will be coming around shortly with our service.